Hey everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I will be guiding you on how to clear cache in Google Chrome. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, open your Google Chrome. So as soon as you open your Google Chrome, so here the interface kind of look like this, and in the upper right corner, just next to your profile ID, you can see three dot icon. Tap on it. Now as you tap on it, down there you can see a pop-up window, and right at the bottom there you can see more tools. Tap on it. Now as you tap on more tools, once again there is another pop-up window. On the fourth step there is clear browsing data. Tap on it. So on the other page you will land inside settings, and right in center you can see a pop-up window, and right on top you can see time range. So what you have to do is tap on the arrow icon which is right at the corner. So from here you will have to select the hour. So I'll go with all time. So under it you can see three different options. Now in case if you don't want to delete any one of these following, all you have to do is tap on the box which is right at the corner in the left hand side, and this following option won't be deleted. Now in order to clear cache, all you have to do is tap on clear data which is right at the bottom. Now here as you can see, all data and cache has been erased, and this is how you can clear cache in Google Chrome. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.